Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by SHEIN. They did send me this deep wave wig. Not only did they send me the wig, y'all, they did send me some gifts. Inside, it did come with 2 lace bands or melt bands. It came with a wax stick. It also came with lace glue, lace remover, edge control. Y'all, edge control was definitely a 10 out of 10. Lace glue, definitely a 10 out of 10. I literally use this all the time, even on my clients. But it does come with a remover, and it also came with a edge brush, which was definitely a plus. Now, I will be unboxing the wig and installing it with y'all.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tenser. Think we need to have a son adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah, who am I? All the niggas around me, right die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on traveling, baby. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was 2 of me, or 3 of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in it. I'm
Why my bad bitches
I'm pretty
at?
than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
down
volume,
bad,
high
but now a
volume,
bitch
high
okay.
volume.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
Down south, bad bitch, discreet shit, so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, fuck them. And fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. Yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, iced out name plate, and it's for my nigga. Ice bitch, say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga, bitch. Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now a whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she so counterfeit. I'm the baddie in the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos. In the cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in runway, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
So y'all, this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. I did go in and bleach the knots on this unit, y'all. I also did go in and add a few curls of my own. When I say 10 out of 10, definitely a 10 out of 10. Definitely love the way it melted, literally everything. Everything about this wig will be in the description box below. Definitely let them know that I did send you. You can use the exact link for this exact wig. And you also can use my discount code if you're interested in shopping with them. Y'all, SHEIN never disappoint. Literally 10 out of 10. I love their wigs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We are at 55K on the road to 100K. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.